Oh, hey, how are yins doing? It's Appalachia TV 412.
Look at that power, boys. Holy jeez. Jordan. Hey. FAFO. You don't believe in Jesus or God. FAFO. Woo! You better start believing. You better start praying up. But any minute. Any second, this could all be gone. One of these logs come loose and they fly up here, it's gonna hurt. It'll really, really hurt. Let's go walk across that log right there. See that log right there? Let's go shimmy across it. Wanna go shimmy across it like we're Bear Girls? Let's go. Look how clean that is. He's burning all down there too. That's a good 8 inches. Wow. Hard to say it's wild, bro. Y'all come back now, you hear? Till next time. I love my Appalachia Tempo.